Welcome back to my channel guys, OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on what you actually need to do to make money with CPA marketing even as a beginner right here, to actually go on to making from $0 to $500 a month right here even as a beginner. So if you do stick until the end of this video and watch right there to the end, you will actually learn these guys and you can utilize that to make money online right now, as we are actually going to be leveraging this platform right here called CPA Grip. And guys, before we dive right into the video, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of other AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out in boosting your income. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. So diving right back into the video of today right now, if you do want to know what CPA marketing is all about, go on to Google and search for what is CPA marketing, and you will see that CPA marketing actually stands for cost per action, and this actually indicates that you do get paid a particular amount once you do direct people to do a certain action right now. So guys, for this right here, you don't actually need to go on to making any sales of any product right here. You don't actually need to go on to paying any form of money or capital to start this right here. You can start this as a complete beginner right here, as a complete newbie, and make money right here. All that is actually required is for you to direct people to do certain actions that is required from some people right now, or for some companies that are actually in need of that right now. And such actions may actually include signing up to a website, and such sign up may actually require them to use their phone number or their email addresses right now, or in some cases sign up with their credit card details and you get paid. You may actually require people to go on to downloading and installing an application right now, and you also do get paid for that right now. So those are examples of actions which you can actually do. This is kind of similar to CPA marketing, or sorry, to affiliate marketing right now, but the difference is that you don't actually need to sell anything right here. Just direct people to do some certain actions and you make money online. And this platform right here called CPA Grip is quite a cool CPA marketing platform you can take advantage of right now. As you can see, it has some cool features, right? The content locker right here, which actually is a very cool and amazing tool you could utilize right here. All that you actually need to do to utilize that is to just simply log a cool and valuable content that your leads can actually do anything to grab hold of, and for them to gain access to that valuable content, they need to complete an action first before they can gain access to that content. And for them completing that action, you're going to get paid some cool cash right now. So the URL file locker does the same work with the content locker, the video locker also, and other cool features right now. So you can actually do see how cool this is actually cool. This platform actually is. To sign up guys, click on register. You'll be brought to this page and provide your basic details on all fields having this red asterisk signs, as it indicates the required field you must go on to filling out first before you can get an account created on this platform. You could see the terms of services right here. Click on that and it's going to take you to read through the terms of services. You can actually do agree to the terms of service by actually checking these boxes like I just did right now. Click on register, get your account created, and go on to logging into your account. Once you're logged into your account as a new account, you will be shown a page similar to this right now. So this is a new account right here, of which you can actually do see the public chat, and in this public chat section you can see the amount people are actually making right now. This person has actually earned $53 right here just today right now, with just using 1,400 views, 573 clicks, and 29 leads. So this is actually cool right now. You can see this other person has made a lot more amount of money right here with a lot more amount of views, clicks, and leads right now. So people are making lots of money on this platform. You could scroll through and check out, and you'll be able to see a lot of people are making money right now. So you can be one of them right now. You could also see right here that you're gonna be seeing your statistics overview, where you can see how much you've actually made today in terms of views, clicks, leads, revenue, EPC, and conversion rate right now. You could also see your yesterday, and I think this is for the monthly right now. So So you could actually go on to getting offers which you want to promote by coming onto the offer tools section, clicking on my offers, and you will be brought to a page where you can see offers you could go on to promoting right now. These are all offers available to the Nigerian demographic, as you can see right now. This offer is a Samsung giveaway, with a Samsung A53 giveaway. You can see some cool and amazing offers also. Maybe you could filter offers to get offers to another demographic right now. So if I do go on to selecting the United States right here, I'm be shown offers to that demographic only right now. As you can see, there are a lot of cool offers. This offer actually requires you to go on to installing an application. As you can see, these are actually more details about the offer. That is a United States offer, an Android offer, a mobile install offer, and has a payout of $2.83. What this actually means is that people that need to be completing this action, which you're going to be using this unique affiliate link to promote, they need to come from the United States. They need to be using an Android device to install this application right here on your device, on their device, and they need to use your unique affiliate link to install that application. And for everyone that fits into that category and follow that criteria to do so, you're going to get paid $2.83 per person that does that right now. So this is quite cool right here. You can actually scroll through and you'll be able to see much more offers that pays much more higher amount right now. And there are some other cool offers that are kind of giveaway offers. This offer is kind of a giveaway for $2,500 in cash. That means your leads will actually be standing a chance to win such prize right now. And they actually need to be coming from the United States, to be using a desktop device, to submit their email address or zip code while going through a survey using this link or signing up to a website, and you do get paid $1.09 for that, which is for every person that does that right now. So you can keep on scrolling through and you will be able to see lots and lots of offers. Here are categories of offers right here. The mobile install offers that requires your leads to install an application. The pin submit offers requires your leads to submit their phone numbers. Email submit requires your leads to actually submit their email addresses or zip code while going through a survey. And the credit card submit requires them to sign up to a platform with their credit card details. So these are actually cool offers right now. You could also take note of this section right here, which is the sort section, the my PRF right here. This actually indicates your performance for that particular offer. This net performance right here is actually the performance of everyone else for that particular offer right now. So you can actually do take note of that. Maybe if you do select an offer, copy the link to that offer. It is quite important to create a landing page for that offer, and you could utilize platforms like Google Sites, breezy.io or breezy cloud to create a simple landing page. And guys, there are lots of numerous platforms which you could create a landing or bridge page on right now. As you can see right here, this is an example of a simple landing page right now, directing people to go on to watching the Fast and Furious X. But little did they know that if they do click on this section that says click here, they have to complete an offer first before they can gain access to the video right now, because I locked that particular video in a content locker or a URL file locker, which will require them to completing an offer first before they can gain access to this particular content right now. And if they do complete an offer, I make some cool cash right now. So this is quite cool strategy you want to utilize right here. Create a simple landing page. If you want to know more about creating landing pages right now, just head on to my channel and you want to click on this search icon right here on my channel and just simply go on to type in a landing page. If you type in landing page right now, you'll be able to see lots of other cool videos I created for you that could help you create a simple landing page. This video right here, guys, is going to show you how you could create a landing page with systeme.io. This one shows you how to create a landing page right now for absolutely free with the breezy.cloud. This is with the Google site. This is also with systeme.io. This is for Webflow and a lot more other platforms right now. So leverage these particular videos to help you create simple and amazing high converting landing pages right now. So once you do create a landing page, the next thing to do is to go on to promoting that offer for absolutely free, because if you're a beginner, you need to actually start up doing that for free right now. And if you want to do that for free right there, you want to utilize platforms like Pinterest right there. And Pinterest is an amazing search engine right now that actually gets about 1 billion visits every single month. If you want to just simply check that, you want to just simply analyze the Pinterest website using the similar web statistics. So if you do analyze Pinterest right here, you can see right here that Pinterest gets about 1.1 billion visits in the last 28 days right now. This is actually quite cool right now. You could see right here in the last month it got 1.1 billion visits. You could scroll down right here and you'll be able to see the top countries that visit this website the most, which is the United States, Brazil, India, Russia, Colombia. And you can see right here that the United States has a high percentage of traffic on this particular website right now called Pinterest, which is why it is quite important that if you want to promote offers to that particular platform, you're going to promoting offers from the United States. So you want to just simply head on to Pinterest, and you can see right here that Pinterest basically uses stuff like videos and images to promote links right now. And if I just select one of these particular pins right here, you can see that the link is attached to that particular pin. You can see this is a link right here. If you click on that, it's actually going to take you to a website where they are promoting a particular stuff right now. So what you want to do is to follow simple strategy, the same strategy right now. Get a cool and attractive image or video that you can use to grab the attention of your audience right now. Once you do get that, go on to using that to promote your CPA marketing offers. And you can actually go on to creating images or videos yourself by the help of this particular platform called Canva right now. If you do come onto canva.com, you can come right into this set section, set for the Pinterest pin, and if you just click on that right now, it's going to take you to a page where you can see a lot of numerous Pinterest pins you could just simply grab hold of. These are all cool Pinterest pins right now, and you could just simply go to selecting one, edit that to your preference, and make that actually look eye-catchy to your audience right now. You could also create one from scratch right now. You could also go on to utilizing platforms like Twitter to promote your offers right now. So once you do create cool and amazing content or images from this platform, you could just simply head onto Pinterest, upload that particular pin by clicking on home feed after creating an account, click on create pin right here, and you just want to go on to uploading that particular image right now. If you upload the image right there, also make sure that that image is a portrait image, and go on to adding stuff like title. As you can see right here for this one, you could add in stuff like title, description. The link right here is where you're going to add your unique affiliate marketing link or CPA marketing link, or the link to your landing page. Add in the board, add in a target topic, which is tags that can help you go on to getting much more audience, and just simply go on to promoting that on such platforms right now. You could also go on to utilizing platforms like Leonardo AI, which is an AI generation tool, or other AI image generation tool to create a cool and amazing attractive images. You can see right here that if I log into my account, these are all cool images generated with the help of this AI. All these are actually AI generated images. If you do select the image right now, guys, you'll be able to see the prompt that was actually used to generate this image. And this actually means that, guys, you just need to go on to giving a simple description right now to create a simple kind of image right now. This is a description that was used to create the image right here. And for you to go on to creating yours, just simply come right here after signing up, click on AI image generator, and actually go on to putting in your description in this section. Once you put in your description, guys, you can click on generate and generate your cool images right now. As you can see, these are all images I generated myself with the help of this AI tool. You can see how cool the images actually are. So make sure you take out much of your time to create a cool and amazing image right now that actually catches people's attention. Use that for your Pinterest pin to go on to promoting that CPA marketing offers. You could use platforms like Twitter, like I said earlier, and on other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on and so forth to promote your offers. So guys, I'm not going to dive that much deep into how to make money with CPA marketing in this video right now, because I have a lot of videos that are actually specialized on various other strategies you could make money with CPA grip right here. So just scroll through my channel, you will be able to see a lot of videos that could help you out right now into actually going to creating some cool cash with CPA marketing. And guys, if the video added some value to you right now, do not forget to smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and also ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.